What is the best organization structure to manage projects? Let us see some of these organization structure that will help you to decide which organization structure you want to pursue on your projects. Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's topic is all about project management, and we are going to cover project organization structures. There are various types of structures which can be applicable for managing projects, and this is what we are going to look at. Let us look at with the first one, and this is called functional organization structure. What happens in this case is there are multiple functional managers who has got their own staff working under them, and the project coordination happens as at the functional manager levels. So what happens, each function manager gives his time for that particular project. Generally it happens in a maintenance kind of projects or any refurbishment type of projects where we have got functional heads. They give their resources to that particular project, they devote their time, and the entire coordination happens at their level. So this is called functional organization structure. The next one is a weak matrix organization structure. Here everything remains same as we have seen in functional organization structure. Here the project coordination happens at the staff level. The staffs are designated who report to those functional managers, and the coordination happens at that level. So they report to the individual functional managers, and project coordination happens amongst them. So this is a weak matrix organization structure. Next come, and you can see the first time the name of project manager comes in. Here what happens? One of the functional manager has one project manager who reports to him, and he takes the resources from other functional managers depending upon the requirement. These functional managers give staff to that particular project, and project coordination happens at between the project manager and the staff. But the catch is the staff still reports to those functional managers. But again, first time you have looked project manager in this organization structure. The next one is strong matrix organization structure. Here there is a head who is manager of project managers. Many project managers reports to him. Each project manager handles one project, but project managers get resources from the other functional managers to whom these staffs report to. So these staff work on that project along with the project manager. The coordination happens at that level. However, the staffs will report to the functional manager. But here again, this change is a project. There's a specific, you can say, a vertical which is there for project management. Then we have a projectized organization structure. This is the best structure for any project, but again, it has a cost attached to it, so it can't be applicable on all small projects. Here, there's a chief executive who has got project managers working on different projects. Each project manager have their own staff. They report to that project manager. The ownership is to that project manager, unless they report to their functional managers. Here everything happens at project manager level, project to project. The staffs are dedicated to that project, and this is how the projectized organization structure works. Let us look at some of the influences on the project. So if you look at the project manager authority in functional, it's not there. In weak matrix, it's also not there. In balanced matrix is low to moderate, because the first time you can see a name of project manager. In strong matrix, again, it's moderate to high, but it is almost total in project types. Resource availability, again, the issue in first two organization structure. Balanced organization structure, again, low to moderate, moderate to high, and almost high in project types. Who manage the project's budget? Here in functional and weak matrix, it is the functional managers who manage the budget. In balanced matrix, is a mixed. In strong matrix, yes, project manager are managing the budget, and obviously in project ties, it is project manager. What is the project manager's role? It's generally part-time, or it's none in the first two. In balanced matrix, yes, it comes. Strong matrix full-time, and project ties again a full-time. Project management administrative staff. it again remains the same like the project manager. So these are some of the influences of the project. As I said, the projectize is the best structure, but it depends upon the cost attached to it, because you have to get separate team, separate structure for separate projects, which may not be viable for a small organization. So that is a call which you have to take depending upon the requirement. But my whole idea was to give you the inputs or knowledge on what are the project organization structure. Hope you liked the video. Thank you very much. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Please subscribe my channel and spread it among your friends. Thank you very much.